Welcome to CRM as a Service, the simple yet powerful tool that transforms your team's workspace into a fully functional CRM. Let's dive in and see how easy it is to manage your sales pipeline. To get started, let's create a few new leads. With just a few clicks, you can add key information like the lead's title, organization, and contact details. And to keep things moving, we'll add to more leads right away. And there it is, your leads added seamlessly. Since we haven't received any follow-up from Alex Michael, our contact at Zec Company, it's time to archive this lead. Archiving allows you to prioritize more active leads while still keeping archived ones accessible. You can easily unarchive them whenever needed. Once you're done managing your lead, converting it into an opportunity is a breeze. Simply click Convert, and all your lead details automatically carry over. From there, just select your pipeline here. We'll choose Sales Pipeline and set the stage to Unqualified. It's that easy. Now you're ready to track and manage this opportunity through every step of the chosen pipeline. Tracking your opportunity's progress is just as easy. Picture this: after an initial conversation with your lead, they're ready to meet. Simply drag and drop the opportunity into the first meeting scheduled stage. Easy, right? From here, you can log important activities and effortlessly schedule your first meeting to advance the opportunity. Fast forward, your first meeting goes well. Since we've already sent the proposal during the meeting, it's time to advance to negotiations. Simply drag the opportunity to the negotiation stage in your pipeline. Managing your opportunity is simple and efficient. With every step, you have the power to guide your lead through the process, keeping everything organized and on track. And when it comes to pipelines, customization is key. Our base pipeline covers key stages like unqualified, first meeting, follow-up discussions, proposals, and negotiations. But here's the best part: your pipeline can be fully customized. Add new stages, remove the ones you don't need, or even create a completely new pipeline that fits your business model perfectly. As you reach the final stage of your sales process, you can mark your opportunity as won or lost, depending on the outcome. If the lead agrees to move forward with the deal, like Contoso Company, you simply set the opportunity to won, reflecting the successful closure. However, not every lead progresses to a deal. If a lead decides to step back, like Max Company, you can set the opportunity to lost and specify the reason for why they didn't move forward. This helps you track the outcome more accurately and provides insights for future opportunities. Ready to take your sales process to the next level? Try CRM as a Service today, free or charge for 1 month, and see how easy managing your sales pipeline can be right within Microsoft Teams.